Hello everyone, my name is Harpreet Kara, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, ECET, Amritsar. Today I am going to give presentation on recruitment and selection process. The contents of the presentation will be introduction, recruitment, its meaning, definition and its process, how we select the employees, its meaning, definition and the process. The company basically needs the people who are well trained, who have quantitative and qualitative assessments of human beings in the society. And also they should be employee skills, knowledge-based abilities and talents, aptitudes and creativity should be as such which should help the organization to increase the profits. The recruitment is basically as the process for searching and obtaining the applicants for jobs from among the available recruits. And it's a formal definition. It helps to put the right people at the right place at the right time. The process of recruitment includes planning, strategy development, searching, screening, evaluation and control. The first stage in the recruitment process is planning. Planning is foreseeing the objects in the coming future. So planning involves translation of job vacancies and information about the nature of those jobs into the set of objectives, etc. The next step is strategy development. It helps to buy the employees from various organizations. It helps to recruit the employees from the various sources, which are internal and external. Internal sources includes transfers, promotions, layoffs, etc. Whereas we recruit the employees from the external sources, such as from the advertisements, from the employment exchanges, from the labor unions, etc. The third process is searching. Searching is basically choosing the right people for right job, which helps to increase the organizational as well as an individual goal of the person. The fourth step is screening. The main purpose of screening is to remove from the recruitment process at an early stage. Effective screening can save a great deal of time and money as well. And the last step in recruitment process is evaluation and control. Once we recruit the employees, we start doing its evaluation and control according to the needs and the requirements of a company goal. The next main step in this process is the selection process. Once we recruit the employees for our organization, the next main process is the selection. We hire the right number of people at the right kind of place and at the right time. It's the process of differentiating between the applicants in order to identify those with greater likelihood of success. This process includes preliminary screening, selection tests, employment interview, background checks, selection decision, physical examinations, job offer, contract of the employment and evaluation of selection program. In the preliminary interview, we eliminate the unqualified applicants. The next step is the selection test, which includes aptitude test, personality test, journally aptitude accepted test, etc. The next step is the employment interview. In this process, there will be a face-to-face interview, will be a panel interview, group interview, etc. Once this interview is done, the next step is to check the references and background checks of the particular employee. Finally, the next is the selection decision. Once we check the requirements, once we check the reference of that employee which have been selected, we finally decide to whom will be selected for the which position and for what salary. After that, there is the physical examination, which includes the fitness tests. Finally, when the person clears the physical examination, the next step is to give the person the job offer, which includes the letter of appointment. Also, sometimes in some companies there is the contract, like for which period of time that person will be working with the organization. Once the contract should be signed by an employee, finally we do the evaluation of the selection process. That is, the process requires any more effectiveness or not. Once everything is done, the selection process is completed and organization gets the best people for their organization, which will help in the individual plus the organizational goals. Thank you and have a nice day.